Hi guys, welcome to another video. So let's go ahead and get back to this video. So let's recap everything that we learned so far. So to create a loop, we need a starting point. Again, starting point, end point. We need endpoint, increment, and we need a condition or statement. Let's call it statement. Okay, so we need these four things here in order to create a loop. So starting point, endpoint, increment, and statement. So let's create our start point, which is going to be counter. So original, right? Endpoint is going to be limit. It's going to be 8. And our condition, okay, our statement is going to be, actually we don't have a statement here because this video is about do while. So first we do the following, okay, do, and then we do while. So in the while we have our statement. So our statement is going to be while counter is less than limit. Okay, this is our statement. So we have starting point, end point, statement, and here I can again write an infinite loop. Let's print the counter variable. So I'm always going to see 0 because I'm not incrementing the value of counter. So I could do here, I need to do counter plus plus, okay? And now we have all of we need. We have everything done so far. So basically, the only difference here is that we execute our code at least once, one time, even if our condition is false. Okay. So as guys can see, that I'm going to run this code and then I'm going to check the statement. So if counter here is less than limit, okay, we will run this. But I could actually have, like, if counter is equals to 10 inside of a while loop, a simple while loop, I couldn't run this statement at all because counter being equal to 10 is not less than 8, so that would not be valid. But right here, because I'm just running the do condition first, the do statement first, I can actually print 10, so you guys can see 10. So the main difference between do while loops and while loops is that do while loops execute the time, the condition, actually your statement at least once. So that's the only difference I would say. I don't see any other difference. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.